Good morning, you guys. I am working 2 shifts in a row, so let's drive to work. I'm supposed to be working a charge nurse shift today, and then tomorrow I'm supposed to be working bedside. I got a solid night's rest last night. I even slept through my alarm, which honestly, I never sleep through my alarm, but it wasn't really that I slept through it. It was just so quiet. I could barely hear it. And then I just happened to coincidentally wake up and look at my phone. I was like, oh shoot, this has been going off for the last 8 minutes. So I did feel like I was a little bit in a rush, but I always allow for a cushion of an extra 10 minutes or so in case something happens or I'm running a little late. But because of that, I did not have time to get coffee or breakfast. So I am very hungry right now and could definitely use a coffee. So hopefully I get to work in time that I can go down to the cafeteria and just get my breakfast burrito. You guys know. So if you guys have been following me on social media closely, you know that I have my nursing crash courses and that I've been revamping my ICU crash course. My ICU crash course is coming out on October 11th, which is barely just more than a month away when I'm recording this. I am so excited. I feel like I put a lot of education out there on social media for nurses, and I don't always talk about my courses very much. I probably should talk about them more, but I never want you guys to feel like I'm just constantly preaching sales to you guys. I want my followers to genuinely want to follow me and learn from me. But I've got to talk about this for 2 seconds because I have been putting so much work into it. When I launched my first ICU crash course almost 2 years ago, it was the first course I had ever launched, and I was so new at the whole process of it. My ICU crash course is by far your guys' favorite course, and it was also the first one that I ever wrote. And so the information is still all wonderful on there, but aesthetically I have grown and can make it just that much better. So the PDFs are gonna look better, the video footage is looking better, the quality overall is just so much better. And now I'm not just offering 3 CEUs for it, I'm offering 5 because I've included so much more information. The thing I'm having a hard time with though, I'm trying to figure out how I want to go about all the people that have registered for my ICU crash course recently, transferring them over to the bigger course. I definitely don't want anybody who's purchased my older crash course to feel like, oh, I just bought this and now you have this new one coming out. But the newer one does have 2 additional CEUs, and so on my end that does cost a bit more money. And so I'm trying to think do I just do a $10 additional charge if you want to upgrade to the course, because this course offers 5 CEUs and my other one offers 3. They have to be treated as if they are 2 separate courses, which they are. So it's not like I can just easily say, okay, all the people that were registered in my older version are now registered in my newer version. It's complicated. I'll definitely have it figured out here in the next week or 2. I need to have it figured out because I want to let you guys know, so that way anyone that's registered in my older crash course can be reassured that yes, they are going to have access to that newer one. I just don't know if it's going to be just where I enroll people directly into the newer one, or if there's going to be an upcharge. It's very complicated being a business owner. It's wonderful, but man, it's complicated. It's a lot to learn. Okay, I'm here at work. There's somebody literally in their car next to me, and we made eye contact, and I'm like, I just can't film myself directly up in the air because everyone's going to think I'm crazy. Or that one person's going to think I'm crazy. I know. I don't know who that person is, but still, I hope I have a great shift, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.